In this video, I'm going to show you how I use HappyCapy to streamline my entire workflow, from scripting, generating voiceovers, transcribing the voiceover into timed segments with accurate timestamps, generating all images, and even having the platform produce the full video for you without touching anything. Pretty cool, right? So I won't waste your time. Let's jump in. First things first, I'll guide you step by step. Let's open HappyCapy, and I'll create a sample script right now. For this demo, I want to make content similar to the Psych2Go channel, one of the biggest psychology channels. Their style is simple 2D, emotional, minimal animation, expressive characters, and clean vector backgrounds. They're currently at 13 million plus subscribers and over 2 billion views, numbers that are basically the dream for any faceless content creator. And here's the fun part, even channels at that level are already using AI for topics, scripting, and SEO metadata. If you want to analyze their channel, check my previous video. I used a simple prompt for that, and it worked really well. Now let's go back to HappyCapy. I'm going to ask the platform to generate the script for me, but first, we need a strong topic. So I'll start with something proven. Generate 10 variations of titles for Why 3 AM Feels So Emotionally Painful. This title is straight from Psych2Go, and I like it because it fits my channel niche perfectly. One quick reminder, this is the manual step. To automate everything later, you always start by doing it manually first. That's how all AI automation and content automation works. After I submit the prompt, the platform gives me 10 new title options for inspiration. I do a quick review, and the one I like most is Why Everything Feels Worse at 3 in the Morning. I'm going to use this topic for the next steps. Next, I keep working in the same thread with this prompt. Write a powerful 150-word hook script for a video titled Why Everything Feels Worse at 3 in the Morning. The hook should be emotionally engaging, relatable, and designed to capture the viewer's attention immediately. Very quickly after submitting, I already have the script, so I can use it to generate the voiceover. And this is where the cool stuff starts. Normally, to generate a voiceover the traditional way, you'd copy the entire script and paste it into a voiceover platform. But HappyCapy is an agent-native computer where you can install skills, like generating voiceovers via ElevenLabs, and continue working right inside the same thread. To do that, I use this prompt. This is my ElevenLabs API key. Paste your key from ElevenLabs here. Generate a voiceover for the script above with the voice ID. Paste your voice ID here. Use 11v3 model and natural stability. Then I submit the prompt, and let's see how it goes. While the task is running, I want to mention this. HappyCapy is an agent-native computer powered by Claude code that runs entirely in your browser. No local setup, no terminal configuration, no installation required. Unlike other AI agents or N8N, you don't have to set up a bunch of stuff first. You can build the whole agent system with prompts alone. Now my voiceover is already generated. You can review the saved location, the model, and the voice settings in the file details. And if you want to download it as an MP3, you can just click right here. For now, I'm not going to download it because I want to keep building the video right inside this same thread. So next, I move to the next step with this prompt. I already have an MP3 voiceover. Please transcribe the audio into a structured script divided into segments. Each segment must include the spoken text and its corresponding timestamp. This is a step you'll almost always go through in content automation, whether you're making shorts, long-form videos, or even product promo videos. You can't really do this inside traditional AI chat models like GPT or Gemini. This kind of workflow works best on an AI agent platform, where it can actually handle files and run actions for you inside the same thread. Now let's review the result we got. At the top, we have the transcript in TXT format. At the bottom, we have the same thing in JSON format. As you can see, the script is already split into smaller segments, and each one has a timestamp. That's important because it lets us generate visuals that match exactly what's being said in each segment. I notice it missed the segment index here. You can fix that by tweaking the prompt, but it's not a big deal for now. So next, I'm going to generate image prompts for each segment with this. Generate a detailed image prompt for each script segment. Each prompt must visually represent the scene described in its corresponding segment. While we're waiting for the task to finish running, I'd like to explain that this platform is not like Claude Code, which many of you may have already heard about. Claude Code is powerful, but it has to run directly on your computer. This can carry risks since it may have access to your files and system. HappyCapy, on the other hand, uses a virtual cloud computer as a secure sandbox. This solves that issue by protecting your privacy and allowing you to run it anytime, anywhere. Alright, now we've got another result shown right below the previous one. In this version, I can see the segment index is included and the image prompt field is added to each segment. That image prompt is what we'll use to generate visuals that match exactly with each segment. And this is a super important step because we don't want random or nonsense visuals. So next, let's continue the workflow with this prompt. Use Google Banana 2 to generate images for every script segment. Each image must strictly follow its corresponding image prompt. Maintain a consistent visual style across all images. Also, if you want to generate video directly instead of images first, you can use Google VO3 for that. You can control the final pacing by adjusting the total number of segments. Just keep tweaking the segment duration in the earlier prompt. I've tested it a lot, and it works really well on HappyCapy. But for this video, I'm going with Google Banana 2. It's the newest model, and the quality is really strong right now, so I want to try it here. Now all of my segment images are generated. You can click Output to view all the results and download anything you want to your computer. For now, I'll open a few images so you can quickly review them. One quick note, because I didn't specify image style and image size, the results include a mix of portrait and cinematic wide frames, which isn't really what I want, but that's totally fine for a first run. When you turn this into a reusable template for a full workflow, from scripting to images to final video, you can lock in the exact aspect ratio, resolution, and style every time. Now let's move to the final step with this prompt. Generate the final MP4 video by combining the voiceover audio with the generated images. Each image must appear at the exact timestamp of its corresponding script segment. Apply a smooth black fade transition between segments for seamless scene transitions. I'm going to submit this prompt now, and you can see I can create a full video from it without any professional editor or paid tools. The MP4 file gets created right here, and you can download the output instantly. I'll show the final demo at the end of this video. For now, I want to collect all the steps and turn everything into a one-go template prompt, so I don't have to manually enter each prompt from start to finish every time. Making the full template is actually simple. First, I collect every prompt I used in this thread and paste them in order, one by one. Then I add this final instruction. Create a prompt template for me so I can get the final result in a single run, optimized for AI agents and automation. And boom, I get a polished template right below, where I can insert any video title in my niche, paste my ElevenLabs API key, paste my voice ID, set the visual style like Psych to Go, or swap it for any style you want. After that, the automated workflow runs through every step, and you can still review each stage and customize more if needed. For image generation, I can see the aspect ratio is set correctly, 19:6 here, so I'm not worried about the wrong sizes from the earlier demo. I've already tested this template, and the results are really solid. And if you want to push it even further, you can turn on Agent Teams mode. So each conversation spins up a team of agents with dedicated roles, and the final output usually comes back more complete and more accurate. That's pretty much it. If you want to try this platform, click the link in the video description. It's genuinely worth your time. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.
Have you ever gone to bed a little earlier than usual, had vivid dreams, and then suddenly woke up between 3 and 5 in the morning? The room is quiet, your phone is dark, everyone else is asleep, and out of nowhere you feel painfully alone. Not just bored, not just awake, but alone in a deep, heavy, hard-to-name kind of way. You're not imagining it if this has happened to you, and you're definitely not weak for feeling it. In fact, there is a psychological reason this happens. That early morning window, roughly between 3 and 5 TMT, is one of the most emotionally vulnerable times for the human brain. Here's why. Around this time, your body temperature is at its lowest, your serotonin levels have dropped, your cortisol is just beginning to rise, and the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational thinking, is essentially offline. So what's left? Raw emotion? Unfiltered feeling? Every worry you've been pushing down suddenly has the stage all to itself.